go. Let's join in and sing this song. We belong to this school. Good morning, Queensbridge School.
Good morning, Osnat.
Good morning, everyone. I really missed you. We had a break, but we're back. It's good to see you.
Better than ever.
Back and better than ever. And I'm so excited because June has got some great birthdays.
Including yours.
Yes, thank you guys. It's also including my birthday. But that's not as important as the birthdays I want to celebrate today. Two really important birthdays. One that we celebrated yesterday, and I love this artist's music so much. So drum roll, please. Let's get straight on with the drum roll. Mind your heads. It was Curtis Mayfield's birthday. Curtis Mayfield. Can you tell me anything about him? Do you know anything about him?
He was in a band. And he was a civil rights activist.
He was a civil rights activist with his music. A soul singer, a songwriter, a musician, a record producer. And he wrote some really powerful messages into his music. Any favourite Curtis Mayfield songs? Anybody?
Move On Up.
Move On Up.
People
I really
Get
like
Ready.
that. Oh, People Get Ready. It's a really beautiful song. And that was written for the band that he was in when he first started his career called The Impressions. And it's so lyrical and beautiful. But I think I've got a really good song for today, a really important song for a warm up. Yeah, and it's quite a strong one, and it goes like, well, let's have a little breathe. We'll stretch first. Breathe in, side out. Try it one more time. Side out with a big. Can you just and then really think about the breath coming out of your belly for the word power. Try it.
Power.
Again, power.
Power.
And can you say power to the people?
Power to the people.
Oh, sorry. Or really, it should be power for the people.
Power for the people.
And can you really go power for the people?
Power for the people.
It's going to help. Here's our little warm-up song with Curtis Mayfield. Thank you, Curtis. And it sounds like this. We want the power for the people. Your turn.
We want the power for the people.
That's good. That's all we ask in our country, dear.
That's all we ask in our country, dear.
Nice. Shall we do those two lines again? We want the power for the people. That's all we ask in our country, dear. The sick and the hungry are unable. Your turn. The sick and the hungry are unable. Protect them and those who may live in fear. Protect them and those who may live in fear. Power for the people. Your turn. Power for the people. One more time. Power for the people. Power for the people. Really great. I love that song. Oh, can we try it all together one more time? Okay, my piano stool keeps shuffling around. I want to make sure I'm nice and close for you. Ready? So the first line, we've got to think of the power for the people. 1, 2. We want the power for the people. That's all we ask in our country, dear. The sick and the hungry are unable. Protect them and those who may live in fear. Power for the people. Power for the people. Yeah. Power for the people. Power for the people. Beautiful. God, good warm up. Do you feel good?
Yes.
Do you feel warm? Well, you know what? For this next artist, who I have to tell you, little secret, everyone.
You went to their concert.
Not only did I go to their concert, I share a birthday with this next artist.
I know who it is.
Do you know who it is? Okay, here's my second drum roll of the morning. On the Sunday, the 7th of June, it's already out there. It would have been Prince's birthday. Now, Prince
is an
was
amazing
an
artist.
amazing artist, a singer, songwriter, a multi-instrumentalist, virtuoso guitar player, an actor, a dancer, producer, you name it, Prince did it. And he just really defied anybody to put him in a box. His music went across so many different genre boundaries, which was just so exciting. And what was his favourite colour, I wonder?
Purple.
His favourite colour was definitely purple. I mean, if you look at these fabulous pictures, there's a lot of purple going on.
His album covers are really crazy.
Yeah, they really are. So, Melody Max and Singing Sam, do you have any favourite Prince songs that you want to share? Yes, tell me.
Go first.
Max.
Me?
Yeah, what do you love?
Also, I like Kiss.
You like Kiss? Oh, Kiss! I love that song. Very good. Anything else?
I like Raspberry Beret.
She wore she wore a raspberry beret. Really good choice. Anything
And
else?
of course, When Doves Cry.
Oh, When Doves Cry.
I know one more.
One more. What do you love?
Purple Rain.
Oh, I think that has got to be our song for the morning. Do you not think so? Let's just see. Goes like this. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. Your turn, ready? I never meant to cause you any sorrow. Really nice, thank you. Never meant to cause you any pain. You ready? I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. Your turn. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Your turn. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Really good verse. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Let's see if we can put all of that together, because that was a bit of a speedy learn. Let's take it a little bit slower, I think. Everybody. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. I really love that. You know, that chorus is really, really simple. So we just ran straight through it because I know what brilliant singers you are. But let's do it one more time together. And it goes like this. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. Ooh. I hope you can spend some time today
To listen to Prince.
to listen to Prince. I
Yeah.
think it would be a great thing. Or if you can't do it today, maybe on Sunday when it would have been his actual birthday.
And it is your actual.
And it is my, and well, you could sing happy birthday to me if you like, but it's not important. It's not important. Shall we play out with some Curtis Mayfield? I
Yes,
think.
we should.
I think it probably is just about time to say, move on up.